Tips for building healthier relationships. Empathy is something the world could definitely use more of, especially when it comes to our relationships. We often forget that everyone around us is just human. They make mistakes, mess up, and sometimes say things they don't mean. If we take these things to heart every time, we won't be able to build the healthy, satisfying relationships we all deserve. Understanding others and communicating effectively are key. With that in mind, here are some tips to help you express yourself authentically, empathetically, and build healthier relationships. 1. Observe without judging. Start by observing what's happening without adding judgments or evaluations. For example, say, "I noticed you arrived 30 minutes after the agreed time," instead of, "You're always late." This helps keep the conversation neutral and focused on the facts, making it easier for both parties to communicate openly. 2. Express feelings clearly. Use "I feel" statements to express your emotions directly. For instance, say, "I feel frustrated when meetings start late," rather than, "You make me so angry." This approach makes it clear that you're sharing your own feelings rather than blaming the other person. 3. Identify needs. Clearly communicate your underlying needs. For example, say, "I need to feel respected," instead of focusing on the specific action that triggered the feeling. Understanding and expressing your needs can prevent misunderstandings and help others respond more empathetically. 4. Make requests, not demands. Frame your requests as invitations rather than demands. For example, ask, "Would you be willing to start the meeting on time?" instead of insisting, "You need to be on time." This encourages cooperation and makes the other person more likely to respond positively. 5. Practice empathetic listening. Listen to others with empathy and without interrupting. Reflect back what you hear to show understanding, such as, "It sounds like you're feeling overwhelmed by the workload." This not only shows that you're listening, but also helps clarify any misunderstandings. 6. Use "and" instead of "but." Replace "but" with "and" to avoid invalidating others' feelings. For example, say, "I understand you're busy and I need your help," instead of, "I understand you're busy, but I need your help." This small change in language can make a big difference in how your message is received. 7. Avoid blame and criticism. Focus on sharing your own experiences and needs rather than blaming or criticizing others. For example, say, "I feel unheard when I share my ideas," instead of, "You never listen to me." This helps keep the conversation constructive and focused on solutions. By applying these tips, you can build healthier relationships with the people you encounter daily in your life.